So you know that I'm always trying to find the best ting, right? We did it on heritage tour, and then my friend told me when I made ting at home that actually Botswana has better mabele a ting. Mabele a ting is basically like ting mealie meal. And the incredible Lena, who has looked after us so well.
Hi. It's a great pleasure to be with you here in Chobe Lodge. You are in a paradise. It's your home. It's our home.
She has taken such good care of us at Chobe Lodge, and she said she knows the perfect brand of ting to buy.
A natural finest Botswana made.
Please show us with the camera which one you're going for.
This one.
Here in Botswana, how do you guys make sure that your ting tastes super good, especially if I want to eat it with stew?
You mix it with a sour milk, that is madila, and then you put warm water, and then a bit of lubese, that is the milk. You mix it together, and then you put it for 30 minutes under the sun. It will become rising up.
I'm taking all 5 kilograms back because I'm scared that I'll not get another chance anytime soon. So I want to make sure I have it for as long as possible.
Bye.
I'm so excited.
Yes, Ma. Thank you.